Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your laptop mouse touchpad is not working properly on Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select Bluetooth and devices. So underneath Bluetooth and devices, you want to go down to the touchpad section. I don't have a touchpad connected to this computer, but you would go ahead and select it from the list here. It should appear underneath mouse over here, and then in between pen and Windows Ink, you would select it. And there'd be an option for touchpad. Once you select the touchpad, it would be an option on the top right to toggle it on or off. Just click inside the oval to toggle it to the on position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.